Did you know you can actually leave a photo in the TikTok comments instead of just text? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to comment with a photo on TikTok, whether you're using iPhone or Android. The first step in this tutorial is to open the App Store if you're an iPhone user, or open the Google Play Store, and then just make sure that your TikTok application is fully updated to the latest version. If you see an update button here, just tap on that button and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of the TikTok app is installed on your device. After this step, open any TikTok video that you want to leave a comment on, open the comment section of that video, and then you should see this little photo gallery icon. And when I tap on this, my photo gallery will open where my job is to select the photo which I want to leave as a comment on this specific TikTok video. I will select this random photo of a building and then just hit the little red arrow as I normally would. As you can see, I've added a photo comment on TikTok. If this guide helped you out, then please make sure to leave a comment on this video, and I will see you in the next one.